magical little bird, the crimson fruit crow. This is a crimson fruit crow. Now, this man is lying to you. It is not, in fact, a crow, and is more closely related to the cotingas. It is largely found in the forest of Brazil, Guyana, and French Guiana, and like many of the cotingas, they have quite a wide kind of sexual dimorphism, with the males being very distinctly red and black, and the females and the juveniles that are immature individuals being a still red, but a more kind of muted, faded red. Now, as I mentioned before, the crimson fruit crow is still lying to you because it doesn't really eat fruit either. It largely eats insects, mainly things like beetles, grasshoppers, and cicadas, with its diet only occasionally supplemented by fruit. The only thing that is true about the crimson fruit crow is that it is crimson. And then again, only some of them are bright crimson.